COVID-19 has had a big impact on Ysgol Dyffryn Conwy, from the fact that all year groups are in specific bubbles in different parts of the school building, and then on top of that we've had situations where year groups have had to self-isolate.
We approached blended learning from the beginning in September, setting work on Google Classroom, extended tasks, homework.
Live streaming sessions online through different platforms.
Keep in contact with the pupils to make sure that they were still making progress at home, as well as to track their well-being.
The learners have taken extremely well to blended learning.
They've been brilliant.
It was so much easier to find work. We had all the resources there. There was a timetable so we could keep to it and get all work done to a good standard like we would in school.
Teacher were always there too. She was asking questions if we were okay, and you can always ask her questions.
I think it's paramount that there is training available continuously for staff.
Availability of resources, developmental tools, and also the ability for our staff to share good practice.
But I think we've got to a really good place now that we're able to combine the digital learning and the face-to-face learning.
It's the future. It's a very adaptive way of working and of thinking. It's got so much potential.
It's a way of just making that experience a more rounded one to ensure that they are ready for lifelong learning in the future.